form of comedic material.
Yeah, disconnection is
total
very good.
disconnection from the human race. Yeah.
Yes, then you have to express yourself in some
Which I've tried to parlay into an alleged career. So
The other rare part is, because Newhart is also not Jewish, there are a lot of not Jewish
right.
comedians, but your background is visual. You come from the art world. I mean, you are a painter, and a successful one.
Actually, yeah.
Really,
It's actually
amazing.
happening. I actually support myself as a painter now.
And how much does a painting of yours go for? I'm sorry to be so crass, but
Quite a lot.
quite a lot. That's just so great.
Yeah.
And you've been painting all the way through your career.
It
right?
was all of this, the whole show business thing was simply a means of supporting myself to be a painter.
To be a painter.
Never stop being a painter, and every painter or visual artist I know has to do something maybe vaguely, tangentially connected to the arts or something, but do something else. Well, I happened to get into this music game and made some albums and did this and that and the other thing, and one thing just kind of led to another. It was never like, get my agent on the phone, I got to get this, I got to get that. It wasn't like that. It just kind of fell in my lap, and I'm extremely grateful, but I feel awful saying this, because I know, like, within a 30-mile radius of me sitting here in Hollywood, there are a lot of people that go, yeah, well,
right.
to you, I'm busting my hump here.
Sure.
But it was never intentional.
And were your paintings always selling? Like
No.
Was there a moment in which they started to sell more than
Yes,
others?
I would say about 10 years ago, all of a sudden the price started going up and the popularity started going up, and that was because for some reason, I guess my show business career had finally achieved that invisibility that it was working so hard to have. And you didn't have the stamp of celebrity artist. So, but what happened was finally the work was started to be collected by museums and some major collections, and they started saying he's a painter before they said he's an actor or a comedian.
Okay, we got to get you back out there again. We don't want to damage your.
Well, the road giveth and the road taketh away. I stopped playing when people started showing up. It was humiliating.
I understand. Thanks, Marty.
My pleasure.